Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a bombshell curl tutorial. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit the bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do one curl, and then I'm just going to let you guys watch how I curl my hair. So before I even start curling, this hair is from Beautiful Princess Hair, and this is a 22-inch body wave 13 by 4 150% density hair. It's a lace front wig. So yes, this hair is really soft and it's bomb. It curls well and it straightens well. As you can see, shedding, there's no shedding. So yes, go get you some bomb hair. And if you have not gone to see my lace frontal wig install video, then you guys need to go check that out. So first, I like to do, as you can see, I separate my hair in two halves first, two sides, and then I start from the back. Every time I curl my hair, I start from the back. So I'm just gonna put this side up. I come on this side, and I start from the back because I like stuff from the front. So I get a piece from the back, and I usually just wrap the hair around the front of my face. And then just take the piece, I come through a good couple times or whatever. Girl, what? And then, sorry, yeah. Then, okay, so why you don't want to stay right there? Oh my goodness. Just stay. Okay. No, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, well, I guess the hair don't want to stay. I'm just trying to do this one good curl for y'all. But how's y'all day been? Like, how y'all been? I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. A girl talk video is coming soon, so and look at that. Boom. Hold on. What am I talking about? That joint is not even really curly. Hold on. Okay, that's something more like it, but it's supposed to be like, yeah. But y'all see how that one turned out. So now I'm gonna continue. Okay, so hey loves, I'm back. Hey y'all. So these are the bomb curls that I've done in my hair for today. So these are that's how I do my bombshell curls. So this is the end of the tutorial or whatever. So I hope this video was very helpful for you guys, and I hope that you guys now know how to do the bombshell curl. Cause girl, this looks bomb. I know this one, yeah, but other than that, it looks bomb. And what I usually do, I usually comb it out and to bring it out much more. But I mean, it can stay where it's at because you know the hair curls very good and it's so soft and beautiful as you can see. So yeah, like like oh, like oh, you know. I can do it on this side as well, and you see how this side look. Okay, but this is the end of the tutorial, this end of the video. I hope you guys love this video and I hope it was very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's continue to share this family. So so that's it. So I love you guys so much. I hope this video was very helpful, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the family. Love you.